Hi, welcome to my channel, Ride with Patrick. I am your host, Patrick, and I am a highly trained and specialized unprofessional seasonal rider here in Norway. And today we're gonna ride. For those that haven't subscribed on the channel, you have plenty of time to do it during the intro. So hit the skull or the subscribe button. See you after the intro. Well, as I said, today we're gonna ride. So originally the roadster was red, and I murdered it. But as said, I will do a video of all the changes so that you can see what went through the whole process. We are here in Drøbak by the sea. So I said we're gonna ride the roadster. Here we go. So I will do a review as well on the roadster, because I think that the best review is to do the changes you want to do on a bike and to review it when the changes are done. It's quite hard to do a review, an optimist review of a stock Harley Davidson is quite hard to do, because there are so many things you can change to make it your own, and that's what I did with this one, and that's what I want to do a review, because I tried the stock roadster, and what I did to that one makes it a different bike that is more compliant to my likings. So we're gonna actually go now to the right side. We're gonna go through the old town, downtown Drøbak. It's not spring yet, or actually it's the starting of it. It's still cold. It's about 8 degrees outside, which is pretty cold if you have to ride for a while. I'm thinking of filling up petrol on the roadster, and when it's cooled down, I'm gonna wash it a little bit as well, because I rode it last week just to make sure that to make sure that I have it in hand. And it's actually, I got it in hand. It took a little bit of time though, because as I told you, I rode the original stock roadster when it came out, and it was another story. Well, I hope many of you managed to take out the bike and had a ride as well. Otherwise, I'm sorry, the only thing you have to do is to be jealous. But no, it's not my point. I mean, the thing is just for you to enjoy, to be with me and enjoy riding. It's a little bit different to ride than the 883 as well. I mean, it's a little bit more snappy on the gas. So I'm just gonna go in a place where you can hear. I mean, I don't know if you hear the exhaust. It's the first time I record on that bike, and it will be quite interesting to see how it sounds, how the engine sounds. I mean, I hear it quite well here. I don't have I forgot to put my earplugs. No car in front. I will let you hear the exhaust on the normal. That's the normal sound of the exhaust. I'm gonna take it down a little bit, go down to 60. I'm gonna open a little bit on the press of a button. you wouldn't hear much of my sound because that exhaust is so powerful. It's just crazy. Already the sound, the note of the original exhaust is quite nice. I mean, I like it a lot. But the thing is, when you press on that button here, that's another world. I tried it last week on Tuesday. I rode it on the motorway, and actually I opened it on the motorway, and there was a car about 20 meters in front of me, and just by hearing the sound, I could see the car just moving away from my way. So it's I mean, that's where the loud pipe save lives comes into play.